Dead.
He's not dead, he's in a daze.
Go ahead with Reginald.
He's like a stuffed bird. What do I do? Give him a little push.
He's gonna like... He's coming at you!
What is that? Oh, what is that? Hang on, he's looking at you.
Man, you better get away. You better move.
I'm not cutting
And stop, Susie. He's back alive. He's alive. He's gonna attack you and you're gonna lose an eye. He's gonna jump off flat around and run back right into the window. And move. Get on this side of him so if you have to run away, you can. She's gonna be back into the corner. Chance, where's the tennis ball? And stop. Come on this side of him.
Come on, cripple. You got it. He's alright. Just let him.
Don't get on that side.
I'm not letting you let him.
He's gonna attack you.
Still.
Yeah, he's gonna attack. He's gonna attack. And she's gonna pull that right away.
Ian, oh, I just want to give a butt. I never, but you've given him, and he's like, Ian,
That's a pee my pants.
come here.
You're getting all this on video,
Okay.
Yeah, it's really bad because I keep laughing.
And he's gonna peck the hell out of you.